In the last videos we spoke about gain and we spoke about patterns, and I just wanted to do a little short video today to talk about some do's and don'ts that you should be doing and shouldn't be doing when you're putting a UHF antenna on the car. I think the first thing to think about is height is might when it comes to UHF CB antennas. So you want to try and get up as high as possible. Mounting an antenna up on your roof rack or high on the vehicle is certainly the way to go, but there are a lot of problems in doing that, i.e. the height of the antenna, getting the cable back into the car. So there are some problems in doing that, but it's certainly a great spot. Next spot is on the bull bar. Make sure you get it up as high on the bull bar as possible. Don't mount your antenna down here. You're just going to create a massive shadow against the rest of the vehicle. So get your antenna as high up on the bull bar as possible. And my pet hate is seeing antennas installed together like this. This is just a no-no. Whether this is a cellular antenna and your UHF antenna, make sure you give good space separation. They will interfere with each other when they are that close together. The ideal distance is probably around 400 to 500 millimeters. Here's a good spacing. So just think about that when you're installing your antennas on your cars.